Hello. I am making a video today in order to ask you guys what challenge do you guys want to see me do next? Because I already did the cinnamon challenge, and you guys seem to like that a lot. So leave your comments in the box down there, and let me know what comment I should do next. What challenge you guys want to see me do? I've seen the salt and ice challenge, which I don't even know what that is. But I've also seen the Chubby Bunny challenge with all the marshmallows. So let me know which one you want to see me do, and I'll get Josh probably to do it with me. And so that'll be that. Then everyone will be happy, and we'll all be happy. All of us, just everywhere, all the time, happy, with big smiles on our face.